guys, this is Alisha. Welcome back to my channel. So a couple of days back I posted this picture on Instagram and I did a photo shoot for that. And you guys loved the makeup look that I'm wearing right here as well. I also posted that very picture on the community tab on YouTube and many of you requested me to make that makeup look. So here I am with the makeup look and your wish is my command, absolutely. So yeah, I hope you'll enjoy watching this, and this is a budget friendly makeup look, absolute bossy makeup look, and I think I've spent around 400. I think all the makeup products are under 400 only, so it won't make a hole in your pocket. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so before beginning the actual makeup, let's make a high pony or a bun. So the makeup look that I'm going to create right here is full of blacks, browns and nudes. It's a sort of a minimal makeup look with no colors at all. And these days I'm just not able to take care of my skin, my body, my room in general. Oh my god, I can see the BTS and it's a total mess since my exams are going on, and this time it is different feel. क्योंकि ना normal colleges चलते रहते हैं तो वो exam वाला feel अलग होता है, but this time it is like after 5 to 6 months I'm going to college to give exams. So it's a completely different mindset right now. Okay, so let's begin the makeup with the base, and I have kept the base extremely dewy and minimal at the same time. And the key to every dewy makeup look is full coverage moisturizer, if that makes sense. So let's begin with this moisturizer. I'm going to use Nivea Light Moisturizer. And on that photo shoot day, I didn't apply any foundation, anything, nothing, because truly speaking, उस दिन मेरा foundation खत्म हो गया था. But today I'm going to use Lakme CC Creme just to cover my under eye and a bit around my lips. And the shade here is beige. I feel this look is more about the eye makeup, and it's completely up to your choice. If you wish, you can apply foundation, but right here I have used CC cream from Lakme. I think we are almost done with the base. Now to set the base, I'm going to use this Lakme Rose Powder. It's a loose powder, my absolute favorite. I'm going to apply a bit of it. I'm going to apply a bit of it just to make the entire face look even. You can see this base is looking so natural, so minimal at the same time. That is why I love this Lakme Rose Powder. And now let's move on to the blush. No, sorry, as I'm going to quit this blush part and I'm going to load my face with a lot of highlighter. And the highlighter that I'm going to use here is this Lakme Master Chrome highlighter, and we have to highlight the entire face just like a powder. Now after applying highlighter on your entire face, you have to apply it again on your high points to accentuate it a bit. And this time I'm going to use the same highlighter again. So we are completely done with the base. Now it's time to move on to the most important part of this eye makeup look, the eyes, and we'll start with the brows first. And to fill in my brows, I'm going to use this Maybelline The Nudes palette. And now I'm going to apply this shade from the same The Nudes palette. And now the next step is the application of brown eyeshadow. A lot of it, you need a lot of it. And the eyeshadow that I'm going to use here is this Wet n Wild. The shade is Rose in the Air. And I'm going to use this brown shade, and this is the darkest brown that I have. You have to apply a lot of it onto your eyelids and onto your lower lash line as well, just to create that smooth effect. And now the most crucial part of this eye makeup, kajal. And the kajal that I'm going to use is this Blue Heaven kajal. This is I think for 70-80 rupees, extremely affordable and extremely dark at the same time. So whenever I do a dark eye makeup look, I use this, and I can use this as much as I can because ये बहुत ज़्यादा affordable है. All you have to do is to make a thick line very close to your upper lash line, just around the ends. And using a smudger, you have to smudge it out. You can see how beautifully this sort of mixed together. And now you have to take the same kajal and you have to make a thick line very close to your lower lash line, and also you have to fill in your lower waterline. Now taking a smudger again, just smudge it out a little bit. Now the next step is the application of mascara, my favorite part. The mascara that I'm going to use here is Maybelline Hyper Curl Volume Express Mascara. 2 to 3 coats of it just to accentuate your lashes. And now the final step, lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to use for this makeup look is the Maybelline Creamy Matte. I think the shade is Nude Nuance, and you have to apply it a bit differently, as you have to coat it with the lipstick and then you have to apply a bit of brown eyeshadow. That looks really good. Going to use my fingertips only. And here we are done with the look. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed and found this helpful. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment down more video requests, more video ideas. Follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is _Alisha180_. Please subscribe. And also we are 7,000 strong. Can you take a moment to appreciate how much you guys love me? I adore you guys. Bye bye.